What a beauty, just in direct from the last owner. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. BMW 218i SE automatic, finished Alpine white, around £2,300 worth of factory fitted options with full BMW service history. Absolutely outstanding with just 29,000 miles. 2018 18 plate, but it does come with a cherished plate, so nobody knows it's a 2018. Special benefit there. Reverse camera, parking sensors, just some of the options on the vehicle. What a beauty. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is. It is absolutely stunning. Can't emphasize how nice the condition is all round. It's the 1.5 136 brake horsepower, 8-speed automatic. Good sized boot. Got split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Just a storage under there, battery there. All the bumper, all the loading area. Absolutely all perfect, no damage to it. As I mentioned, you've got the parking sensors, also the reverse camera just under there, which were an option. All the bodywork is absolutely fabulous condition. No dents, scratches, dings, scrapes anywhere. All the wheels in great condition. We've not had these refurbished since how the car came in. Tyres are great all the way around. Invoices there for recently fitted tyres as well on the vehicle. Of course, the coupe, not many of these about at all. Great looking car. So close up on the near side. Front wheel again, all unblemished. Bridgestone Potenza tyres. Again, plenty of depth there. Full close up across the front parking sensors. Again, there's no damage across there. Great condition. All been scraped across the lower spoilers. All across the front, lovely and clean. Of course, the odd tiny stone chip, which is age and mileage related. Driver's wheel, as again you can see, all unmarked. High depths there, and all down the sides. And this is why we do a video, to show you we have nothing to hide, full transparency, no nasty surprises when you come to the vehicle, only pleasant surprises of how nice the car is. So again, the final wheel there, as you can see, all undamaged. The tread there on the tyre. So as I mentioned, Bridgestone tyres matching all round. Let's take you inside it. Black cloth upholstery. All unmarked, non-smoker's car. No nasty smells. All the headlining, perfect condition. Driver's door trim. All the entry points. Driver's seat. Multifunction steering wheel. Of course, keyless start. 26,098 is the mileage. That's all it's done, 26,098. Full BMW service history. Of course, navigation. And all the dashboard, all the trims, all in great condition. All controlled from there. So you can zoom into the map. Media input. Navigation points. Menu. Media. Vehicle details. Service requirements. So again, all green there. Service history. So as you can see, all the service history all the way through. all right up to date. Last serviced 23,518 and it's 26,098 today. So full BMW service history. Again, all the menu on there. Of course, you've got the stereo controls all on there. Dual zone climate control. Cup holders there. Nice and nifty. Various drive modes on there, which again shows up on the dashboard there. Sport, Comfort, Eco. Reverse camera. Of course, great ground sound system on the vehicle. All on damage unmarked there. Storage, center console with USB input in there. Other multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, various modes on there, volume on there. Optional folding mirrors too. This was a factory option when it was new, so I've got folding mirrors. What a fabulous, fabulous example for such low mileage. So there we have it, our 218 SE Alpine White 2018. As I mentioned, does have a cherished plate, so people wouldn't know it's a 2018 car. Comes with the vehicle at no extra cost. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7. So if you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that reserve button and come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Remember, our full money back guarantee. If you feel the car is not as described, they'll refund your money. Simple as that, really. But with the videos, you know exactly what you're getting. No nasty surprises, full transparency. You get the full picture walking around the car with me. Specialist Cars, a multi-award-winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Established since 1997 on the same site. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist Cars, multi-award-winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Here to help, making your buying process a simple, hassle-free and enjoyable experience. So have it again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.